Welcome students. We are continuing Chapter 2 Leaves the Food Factory of Plants Part 3. Dear students, welcome to our class. We are continuing Chapter 2 Leaves the Food Factory of Plants Part 4. In this session, we will discuss about flow of energy in the living world. All organisms need energy to perform various activities. They obtain this energy from the food they eat. Green plants make their own food through photosynthesis. The sun provides the energy for plants to make their food. Animals and human beings, either directly or indirectly, depend on plants for food. In this manner, the energy of the sun flows to plants and then to animals and human beings. Interdependence between plants and animals. Interdependence between plants and animals. Here you can see one diagram. Plants take carbon dioxide from animals and human beings. Then plants gives food and oxygen to animals and human beings. Here you can see the interdependence between plants and animals. We know that plants and animals are the two main groups of living organisms on earth. They cannot survive without each other. Animals need oxygen to breathe and food to eat, which they get from plants. Animals breathe out carbon dioxide, which is used by plants to make food. So plants and animals depend on each other for their survival. The last section in this chapter, balancing nature. Nature maintains a balance between the number of plants and animals. Have you ever thought what would happen if there is a sudden increase or decrease in the number of plants and animals? Then what happened? The balance in nature will be disturbed.